Today I've got these great bags by Funcoo. Now, these are described as like a sourdough bread bag, but really you're not limited on what you can put in these. So on here or in here, I do show a loaf of my homemade sourdough. And it's so great because not only are you getting the bags, but as you can see, you've got these cute little homemade stickers they also include. So you get several sheets of these. The package itself comes with 50 bags. So a really nice supply. So whether you're selling baked goods, candy, whatever your specialty might be, popcorn would be a really nice size in this bag. So the bag itself, you got 11.7 or 11.8. So this is almost 12 inches and 8.7 across the bottom. Give you a close-up look. So you've got the front and side window is clear. Back is like this paper, really, really light pink and a really, really light pink here on the front. Open this up. So you can fit quite a bit in here. And then this top here, when you seal, you just fold over and then fold your tabs. And I love this because once you open or the person opens that you give the bread to, they can easily reseal it again. So let me just show you the size of my loaf. It smells so good. So really nice size loaf here to go in the Funcoo 50 count bread or sourdough bags, granola, popcorn, muffins, really great product.